Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna tell you 25 mind-blowing facts about space. 1. You can't cry on space because your tears won't ever fall. 2. Astronauts on the International Space Station witness around 15 sunrises and 15 sunsets every day. 3. The International Space Station is the most expensive object ever built, at $150 billion. 4. In 1977, we received a signal from deep space that lasted 72 seconds. We still don't know how or where it came from. 5. There is a water reservoir floating in space that is equivalent to 140 trillion times all the water in the world's ocean. 6. NASA scientists have discovered stars that are cool enough to touch. 7. Saturn's rings are not solid. They are made up of bits of ice, dust, and rock. 8. Humans can live unprotected in space for about 30 seconds if they don't hold their breath. 9. Tortoises orbited the moon before astronauts did. They were sent to test a Russian space probe. 10. The Great Wall of China is not visible from space, but China's air pollution is. 11. Cockroaches raised in space become quicker, stronger, faster, and tougher than cockroaches on Earth. 12. The third country in space, after the US and the USSR, was Canada, which was considered to have the most advanced space program in 1962. 13. In 1963, a cat called Felicette became the first feline in space. 14. An astronaut threw a boomerang while visiting the International Space Station and it returned to him, even in the absence of gravity. 15. On Earth, the International Space Station weighs 925,000 pounds, more than 11 full semi-trucks. In space, it weighs almost nothing. 16. American astronauts have been able to vote in elections from space since 1997. 17. On August 10, 2015, NASA astronauts ate food that had been grown in space for the first time. 18. Outer space begins at 100 kilometers, 62 miles, above sea level. 19. Neil Armstrong claims he said one small step for a man when he set foot on the moon and that audio analysis of the recording backs that up and it's been misquoted this entire time. 20. There's no zero gravity in space. Astronauts are in a constant state of free fall, which is why they appear to float. 21. Comet Lovejoy released as much alcohol as the amount found in 500 bottles of wine every second during its peak activity. 22. Night and day on Earth only appear to last 45 minutes from the International Space Station. 23. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the Moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. 24. And it rains diamonds on Jupiter and Saturn. 25. There are way more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth.